Here's the question. Why doesn't anybody talk about the growing need for trades?
It's a secret.
Did you know that the Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts more than 3 million jobs will be open through 2028?
What?
Crazy. And the best part is, no degree is needed for any of these jobs. Imagine making a real living after high school through skilled work. Interested?
I need a job.
Let's get into it. First, we got the EMTs, or the emergency medical technicians. They deliver vital care to accident scenes before transporting to hospitals. They must handle diverse situations with patients of all ages. Training is essential and can be provided at emergency care centers, trade schools, or community colleges. Certification is required, ensuring your readiness for this role. If you're quick thinking and passionate about healthcare, EMT is the right position for you. Cosmetology school attracts those passionate about beauty and wellness. Cosmetologists are creative, flexible, and love serving clients. Programs cover various skills like hair, nails, makeup, and skincare. Graduates enjoy diverse career options like entrepreneurship or entertainment. Web developers create and construct apps and websites, typically through associate's degree or certification. Their skill set encompasses attention to detail, design, and customer service. Training could be pursued through online programs or community colleges that help developers gain knowledge on coding and technique. This prepares them for diverse industries like public relations, advertising, and news. Electricians install, maintain, and repair electrical systems in various settings. Training options include trade schools or apprenticeships, which help develop skills like problem solving and safety protocols. And the advanced opportunities include becoming a master electrician. Consider culinary school if you like working with your hands, cooking cultural foods, storytelling, or just have an entrepreneurial drive. Look into a community college that has a culinary program, or you could look into a college that specializes in culinary, like Culinary Institute of America. Culinary education teaches vital skills that apply to the food industry, from catering to nutrition and beyond. And guys, we have a ton of other trades to explore. If I didn't list your trade, make sure to just comment it down below and maybe we'll feature it in the next video. And remember to subscribe and like this video for more content like this. My name is Uni Oaks. I enjoyed talking to you. I'll see you in the next one.